I haven't hit 100 sales yet, and shipping body butter in the summer actually eats into my profit, but I'm gonna show you exactly how I pack every order anyway, because keeping my products available year-round matters more than the lower profit on one jar. Before I even begin packing, I chill my body butters for at least 8 hours. This helps them start their journey as cool and as firm as possible, especially during the hot summer months. Once the body butter is completely chilled, I wrap it in thermal bubble wrap and then I add ice packs around it to give it some extra protection while it travels to wherever its new home is going to be. But keeping body butter available in the summer, it comes at a cost, and I'll get to that in a minute. Shipping the whipped body butter during the summer definitely cost me more. Between insulating packaging, the ice packs, and the additional time it takes to prepare each order, my profit on this particular product is probably cut down by like 30%. But I decided that keeping my body butter available throughout the year is still the right choice for my business. My long-term vision has never been to sell only body butter. I'm creating a complete bath and body line, a collection of products that can become a part of someone's self-care routine. So there's definitely a bigger picture with more products to come. Because of that, consistency is important to me. Even though my summer packaging process may lower the profit on each jar, it allows my customers to basically continue shopping their favorite products together throughout every season. Of course, summer shipping is always going to come with some risk, but I do everything I can to protect the shipping process and keep consistency. In my first months of business, I'm learning what my customers are drawn to, which scents perform the best, which products people are excited to try, and where I may need to make changes. I'm also learning how to improve my packaging, my shipping process, my product photos, my website, so many things. I haven't reached 100 sales yet, but I'm not discouraged by that. There's a reason I'm not rushing to fix this, and it's actually the best part of being 3 months in. This stage is actually giving me something incredibly valuable: time. Time to pay attention, time to make adjustments, time to evaluate how each scent is performing, time to explore new product ideas without rushing, and time to fix the smaller details now so that the business has a stronger foundation as it grows. Every order still feels special to me. Someone choosing to spend their money on something I created is something I never want to take for granted. This business truly is a dream of mine. There's so much that I want Starlight Bath Body to become, and I'm genuinely happy that I get to keep building it, even through the trial and error moments. And speaking of that, and things that I'm still working on, I have also discovered that I'm absolutely terrible at consistently creating content. Sorry guys. I can make products, I can package the orders, I can spend hours thinking about new scent combinations and product ideas, but remembering to stop, set up a camera, and actually share everything is apparently a completely different skill. But I'm working on it. So be prepared to see more of me behind the scenes moments, more product making, and more honest updates about what it looks like to build this business from the beginning. Still learning, still adjusting, and still figuring things out. But I'm incredibly excited to continue sharing the journey with you. So thanks so much for supporting Starlight Bath Body. And thank you for allowing me to keep creating luxury that's written in the stars with you. Follow to see what we create next.